The world of home entertainment is about to change forever. For years, we have looked at the little black box sitting under our televisions and wondered when the next big leap would happen. That time is finally here. We are looking at the brand new Apple TV 2026 edition. This is not just a small update. It is a massive revolution in technology. Apple is preparing to release a device that will make every other streaming box look like a toy from the past. Before we dive into the deep details, we need to understand the 5 massive things that define this new era. We are talking about true 8K video support. We are talking about the incredible A19 chip. We are looking at a 120Hz refresh rate that will completely change how you play games. There's also a shocking new price point that absolutely no one expected. Finally, we have a very clear idea of the release date and the secret technology hiding inside. To understand why this matters so much, we must look at the current world of streaming. Right now, there are 2 main kings of the hill. The first one is the Nvidia Shield TV Pro. People really love this device because it is powerful. However, it was released all the way back in 2019. It costs around $200. Inside that box is an old processor. It uses the 16nm Tegra X1 chip. That technology is showing its age. It is slow by modern standards. Then we have the Roku Ultra. This box is much cheaper at $99, but it has a major problem. The chip inside is very basic. Worst of all, the home screen is filled with heavy, annoying ads. You feel like a product instead of a user. Apple has seen these huge flaws in the market and decided to end the competition once and for all. The new Apple TV 2026 is designed to be the ultimate winner. Imagine a premium device that costs just $99. Imagine it running on a cutting-edge 3nm A19 chip. It will offer full 8K video playback at a smooth 120 frames per second. It will use the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology for lightning-fast internet speeds. And the absolute best part is that there are 0 ads. It is a clean, premium experience for a fraction of the expected cost. This sounds almost too good to be true, but the evidence is piling up fast. We're looking at data from people who know exactly what is happening inside Apple's closed doors. The first thing you absolutely must know is about the incredible new brain inside the box. To understand the jump, we have to look back. The current Apple TV uses the A15 Bionic chip. That chip is great, but it uses older 5nm technology. The 2026 Apple TV is stepping far into the future. It is using the A19 chip built on 3nm technology. You might wonder what that actually means for you. It means Apple can pack billions more transistors into the exact same small physical space. More transistors mean more raw power and much better efficiency. It means the box can do many more things at the same time without getting tired or hot. Apple has a very specific goal for this chip. They want to turn this tiny black box into a serious gaming console. They are tired of being second to PlayStation and Xbox in the living room. They want you to play the biggest, most beautiful games right on your TV without buying a massive $500 console. The A19 chip is the key to this dream. It features hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This is a very advanced way of calculating light in a video game. It calculates how light bounces off water or glass in real time. It makes the digital world look completely real. It makes shadows look soft and reflections look deep. We're looking at graphics performance that is massively faster than the old generation, but raw power is nothing without memory. Apple knows this perfectly well. That is why they're doubling the memory to 8 GB of RAM. This allows the system to keep more apps open in the background without slowing down. It allows games to load massive textures and complex open worlds instantly. They are also offering a 256 GB storage option. This is plenty of room for high-end games and downloaded movies. There is one more secret advantage the Apple TV has over a phone or a laptop. It plugs directly into the wall. Because it has a constant, endless source of power, it does not have to worry about battery life. It can run at full speed all the time. The chip will never need to slow down to save power. This means your games will run perfectly smooth for hours on end. You will never see a stutter or a dropped frame. The second massive thing we need to discuss is the picture quality. This is where the 8K rumors come into play. Many people ask why we even need 8K right now. Most people still have 4K televisions in their homes. 8K TVs are currently struggling to sell because they are very expensive. However, Apple is thinking 10 steps ahead. They're not just looking at what you have today. They're looking at what you will create tomorrow. The upcoming iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to be a mobile cinema. It is expected to shoot high-quality 8K video natively. When you record a video of your family or a beautiful sunset on your phone, you want to see it in the best quality possible. Apple wants you to take those massive files and play them on your big screen. The A19 chip is the only mobile processor powerful enough to handle 8K playback smoothly. It is a massive amount of visual data. 8K has 4 times as many pixels as 4K. That is a lot of dots for a processor to draw every single second. But the A19 is built exactly for this. It can decode those heavy video files without breaking a sweat. It makes the image look so incredibly sharp. It feels like you're looking through an open window. Every detail is preserved perfectly. Every color is vibrant and rich. Even if you do not have an 8K TV yet, this box is future-proof. It ensures that when you finally do upgrade your television, your Apple TV will be ready to meet the challenge. However, there is something even more important than just the number of pixels on the screen. That is the 120 Hz refresh rate. This is where the new HDMI 2.1 port becomes a total hero. Think of this port as a massive data pipe. It is much wider than the old ports. This wide pipe allows the Apple TV to draw 120 full pictures every single second. Most TV shows and movies run at 24 or 60 pictures per second. When you double that to 120, everything changes. For people who play fast-paced games, this is an absolute miracle. It cuts the delay between your controller and the screen in half. When you press a button to jump, the character jumps instantly. There is zero lag. It feels like the game is a direct extension of your body. This high refresh rate is also a pure dream for sports fans. Have you ever noticed how a football or a baseball looks slightly blurry when it moves fast across the screen? That is called motion blur. It happens because the TV cannot draw the pictures fast enough to keep up with the real-life action. With true 120 Hz support, that blur completely disappears. Every single pass, every catch, and every hit will look crystal clear. You'll be able to see the stitches on the ball as it flies through the air. It makes you feel like you're sitting right in the front row of the stadium. The HDMI 2.1 port also includes a fantastic feature called quick media switching. We have all seen that annoying black screen that appears for a few seconds when a movie or show starts. That happens because the TV is changing its internal settings. With this new technology, that black screen is gone forever. The transition is instant. Your movie starts the very moment you press play. The device will also use a custom N1 chip. This chip is built by Apple specifically for Wi-Fi 7. It will work alongside a brand new software interface called Liquid Glass. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but it is becoming our reality very soon. Now, let's talk about the third big thing, the price. This is perhaps the most shocking part of the entire leak. Usually when Apple adds a 3nm chip, 8K resolution, and 120 Hz support, the price goes straight up. We always expect to pay a premium for the best technology. But Apple is doing something radically different this time. They are targeting a brand new sweet spot price of just $99. This is an incredibly low price for such a powerful machine. Why on earth would Apple do this? They're using a brilliant business strategy called the Trojan horse. They're not trying to make a huge profit on the plastic box itself. Instead, they're selling the hardware at a major discount just to get you into their house. Apple wants you deep inside their ecosystem. They know that once you have an Apple TV sitting in your living room, you are much more likely to stay. You will probably subscribe to Apple TV Plus to watch their award-winning movies and shows. You will probably try Apple Arcade to play those amazing console-quality games we talked about. You might even use Apple Fitness Plus to work out in front of your television. By selling the box for just $99, they make it impossible to say no. At this price point, the Apple TV is no longer a luxury item for the rich. It is an easy, obvious choice for everyone. This price point will completely wipe out the competition. Who in their right mind would buy a Roku or a Fire Stick filled with annoying ads when they can have a premium, ad-free Apple powerhouse for the exact same price? It is a brilliant move that will change the market forever. In my personal opinion, this 2026 Apple TV is going to be the most important smart home device Apple has released in a decade. If they actually pull off the $99 price tag with an A19 chip, there is simply no reason to buy anything else. It perfectly bridges the gap between casual TV watching and hardcore gaming. I think Microsoft and Sony should be very worried about how easily Apple can sneak a gaming console into millions of living rooms. What do you guys think about this massive Apple TV leak? Will you be buying one if it costs $99? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you like this video and want to stay updated on all the latest tech leaks, please subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.